Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, and in this video, you're about to discover how to get your mojo and your energy and your passion back in your life. So check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, and if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that we together can make a difference. And we're talking about the fact that you need to get the energy back in your life, because one of the most common obstacles that I see right now, many professionals face, in fact, a lot of men specifically, I see that they have a lot of responsibilities, they have a lot of years of experience, and they have a lot of knowledge and wisdom in life, but they don't have the energy. They don't have the mojo, they don't have the drive or passion anymore, and for which they are in the grind of waking up, taking care of the kids and dropping the kids to the school and coming to the office and checking in and then doing the work in the office and doing the project, sending the email, then through a very big traffic coming back home, and then spending a little bit of time with the family, tired, going to bed and waking up next day morning, same cycle. They don't have the mojo back. So here's the solution. Here is what you can do in the long term to have the mojo back in the long term. And this is something that we teach people inside our private mentorship program, which is called the Balanced Life Mastermind, which is not open to public anyway. But what you have to do is this. If you want to have the mojo back and the energy back, you must find the purpose in your life. Find the purpose in your life. It's very important you do that. So it's not about just setting some goals, which is, I think, awesome. Goal setting is great. It's not about just having a little bit of coffee for the energy. This is all good for the short term, but you have to have a purpose in your life, because one of the things I often say to people in the mastermind is a man without a mission is not a man, it's a boy. And a woman without a mission is not a woman, it's a girl. So if you really want to have the mojo, you need a mission, a purpose in your life. So let me give you an example. A couple of years ago, somebody that I know of, they lost their child, and the child at that time was about 25-year old, and his parents really got devastated, because this guy who met with an accident and died, he was the only child of these parents. And these two people, this couple, they did not know what to do, so they lost their mojo. But about 6 months later on, they adopted a new kid. And this couple, just for your information, they are probably about, I think the man is about 55-year old, the woman is 45-ish. So they adopted a child, a small little baby kid, and now they're growing the kid and nurturing and raising the kid, the new kid. And they have the drive back, the mojo back. Why? Because now they have a purpose to raise the kid. Probably they're seeing their dead son in this new child. See, that's purpose. When you have something bigger than yourself, that's when you get the mojo back. So I'm encouraging you to get a purpose, get a mission in life, not just goals, but find your true purpose. What's your purpose in life? Why are you here? Not just to pay the bills, not just to do the work, but why are you here? Find that out, and it's gonna be awesome. And if you like the video, like I said, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, so the next time I have a video, you get an update that this video is available right now. And also, if you wanna join the Confident Speaker Conference, where we show you how to become a confident speaker, make sure you call us on this number right here, so that you can know exactly how you can join the course. Again, you can call the number here if you want to join the course. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence, it's not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I present at an audience of 150 people. My name is Bharat Agde. I am an engineering manager at one of the software companies in Bangalore. Just few months ago, I could not even speak to an audience of 15 people, forget about 150 people. I would just go blank on the stage. I would completely lose my chain of thought. I used to be so nervous on the stage. To think of those days, today I'm a much more confident person. I can address a very large audience easily. I attribute all these changes to Mr. Bishal Sarkar's public speaking courses, mastermind sessions, and of course all the honest effort that I put as part of it. Today, I focus more on the content, more on the preparation, and more on as to how to connect with the audience rather than just worrying about the presentation. Today, I no longer get butterflies in my stomach before the presentation. Thanks Mr. Bishal Sarkar in guiding me in this journey where I could make lot of positive changes inside me. Thank you.
I'm a man